Chitariki 14 Omotienyo kianda omwaka bw'ekirubere n'emirongo ebere na enye mwanchumuriria Ondizi TV ningoma etenga bange ningomolenka asengenchi omutimuko bwe weekendi ase balibwamo wikirana ase ekanisa busegesa simoro mambia bono mwabeire mo wirana nka ase bono motengerete Ndizi TV nabwo obwansu bw'omugusi nimbe nkomanyia amangi abera kanekigwa ime na isiko yorgongo rwagusi chinga kimurabense Dr. William Ruto agendrete etaro yaye ase enseria ya Germany asabwa usanga naba Kenya boigo ni gomwakele Danstan Omari abeire akamocheke gambiro anemono kubwatikananga noko na chababete bakurua kubwatikananga noko ochiko mosiba omo Inspector General ntinenera nyimbo Gilbert Masengeli ayo onsi amange nimbingo kumanya nigeragire chinsa ikomi chabono marogoba ritana nkoro kwa Job Maangi noko nekinga chibiche chiboigo na Mario gyabere wikira asenchira Jobo ikira nunere Abigail Nyanchama enseme yaye Lydia Mosenero kweneki yanko ya nyorore wetira asenchira jomonwa wimanyerelio nkuranande aseka getali ege tambe. Nabokwenda utubuate wetira senchiro mtandao ito Facebook Ndizi TV News, digital YouTube Ndizi TV News, na wetira mtandao ito www.ndizitv.net. Mwanchumurelia Ndizi TV karanso ikenkumanyebu nabere gago ateka. Amajini gotuwa chakurwa se kaunti ya Mira asumwakele Danstan Omari abere gakomochia ekigambero ekenene anemono asukuna cha babe tebakurwa kubwatekananga nomo Inspector General wanyanyimbo otekirana asekigambero asintunda tinyenge ase umunachi ebi nabe takuna changa abigako bekwegesibo ase metienyi etano nemo nigabagate banga nige chambo kerokere mamincha yeri chiko naende nabe gawekirana ase ko ekigambero lituko libusechitariki lituko lya Jumatatu asikigambero gya Court of Appeal anemono ase okwamerelia okonacha okwo weke gambero.
Maamuzi ya jaji yale ambayo yalipitishwa yana dosari mingi sana, na ndiposa nimeelezewa niweze kuelekea katika mahakama ya Court of Appeal tuweze kubishana na kuondoa zile ambazo ni zile orders zilizopeanwa pale. Kwanza ya kwamba kule kuambiwa ajiendeshe yeye mwenyewe na bodaboda kwenda katika jela, hakuna sheria kama hiyo. Sheria inakuwa mtu anakamatwa kisha ile committal bundles zinawekwa kidole na mahakama na prison, ile ndio shahada inayomkubalia yule Masengeli kuingia pale. Pili, ile ambayo amepewa kwamba siku 7 aweze kuelekea pale ni kinyume na sheria, sababu nimeelezea kwamba jaji anapotoa uamuzi anakuwa ile tunachosema ni functus official. Hana tena nguvu za kusikiza ile kesi sababu amejiamulia. Tatu, nimeelezea kwamba ule Masengeli hajafungwa zaidi ya miezi 6, kwa hivyo atazidi kushikilia nafasi ile, atazidi kufanya ile kazi sababu hajafungwa zaidi ya miezi 6. Na mwisho nimeelezea kwamba ule Masengeli amehakikishia Wakenya kwamba ile kikosi cha polisi taifa zima kiko imara kulinda usalama wa taifa mzima, na kila Mkenya asitishike, asikiwe na wasiwasi kwamba kuna tisho lolote kuhusiana na ile ambayo ni usalama.
Omoteneneli wabangina ase kaunti ya Mira Jerusha Mumanyi nigo abeire gakurwa okobolia ase serikali wikirania amaganio ya borokia abandrete gosomia asuskuru anemon chuskuru chiria chioboroso ase boigo abagakuru kobolia ase serikali kwena kingango kiniere ebirengo byechisemi wekitera ase okwagachwa kwebirasi na boigo amagacho ande ase chuskuru chioboroso ayaniga yakwana ase skuru yoboroso yanyairiche gotoka ime woda ya township ubunge ya West Mugirango county ya Mira chinga kiabagakurwa ogosira gwetangyo kurabo konya aborokiwa na aborokia ase eskuru eyoboigo ensemo ya siasa ase county ya Mira nigabagakubolia aba MCA uchikokora emiremo ya wikiranu nabo igo kumuburio mugavana bwe county eyoko bagakwiraneria amaburio arabega kuburirwa naba MCA ase county eri Nyamira kinga kiribera ligenderetse kubwatekananga n'omuswada obekire bosibwe bunge area ye county ya Nyamira ase aba MCA baligekiko chikumwaka isiko omugavana bwe county eyo Amos Kimomi Nyalibo
Gonabo kaberi hali bono gane chinsa ibere na ikirega iganya iricha primary school igona acha iga korwe tangi ya mache igona acha iga gotebia banafunzi nga ninje nkobaji sanitary towel tayari nabaire bagenderere gututumeka nabo igobona na achira iga na achire ko empower community ko etera ko bae tent eyera abakonya liba bakonya gokombwa tent ko rusikuri riti ko babwata matanga gusekera babwate meyega they can use it freely without pay. It is likely nga school we yengo takobere flooded no ni birasi bibore so nale ko imisa serikali ekera bako bagendete kuri kibese cya infrastructure nabo igo kibese cyani CDF na barabwe karabakuru bainyore yairicha ne skuru enene ebwata abana abange ebwata abalimu abange batagete konyora masingara. Consider our teachers ekyagara kero montale demoralized no mo gondale igara aleme binyambi biyoka ndagira te kurwo lakini rene mna nande twabere to gukwana ometeri chiko ndieta ba MC gokore gasi yabo nabo igo neri chikerio ndieta abana inji na barabukurwa maoni nga imbuyere gusembube igo kwa niapa yangu muna mama county njetimbu atimanga na manene ndakwane igoro ya mangana agenderete ali ase assembly yaitu abantu bachoriro n'abantu bare timamu nabo igo n'umugabano ito yorobisi nere na bwete nsemo yaye agokora gasi onyege gutuka ababono baretira mangana oirwe chigwikibere gosene wiki ya mabamoire tigadera iraneria maswali ali kara atoge kanenga atoge kanenge kene bintu biri bako mwaleji natara ikerania singenjo yegenteke na kerita ko era sari nabantu bai
goska bosioni gortonerete ekirogo kyobo MCA ase wodielia yagachuba mwakili Evans Mireri aberega komugania omo MCA be wodieyo obwaya osinyo gokora emirimo yaye wikiranu ase boigo abere gakuru kubolia ase serikali kobeke mero berio emikiranu anemono chinga ki ribere ligendete kwene kigwa kubwatikananga na aboro kyogotaikirana ase university kubwatekananga nelinga serikali akiri umuroberio omojia bo chisemi ase NCHO ya Kenya asaba watebanga ogochukobeka emeroberio emekerano gorach kwene kinga abakenya bonsi anemono abana bakuru asinga kisari kwenyara gochukwenyorera bali chisemi ase nchira ere enyororo
ekaraba akachisabu abanyoranga chibese chikoewa omo MCA towards bursaries echiko ya mobunge chibase chiko ya mogavana chiko ya mama county chiawe ministry ya nyene echinde chiawe president igo chisa ini Kenya education ya cover free korubuno mwana ngego che school baka kaisa au ko university so we should support that kind of a bill akere go parliament mama county. On this we will hold you personally responsible because enterera kishena mwana Kenya tadi kutoka isiko na tato kete band 1 gato kete band 5 no make education free na kwa make free is to have one education fund igoma ekerebi iraje before parliament mama county we expect you to show respect education by will support that fund by will support that bill arrangera turag na kisa Kenya chia very affordable na andi chia gari mirwe na serikali na majuta wuri gente kemo yani yongira saba mama baada vile na ki omo MCA okachuba omo inyorie na atakeire akore bintu biri danyiri babo saba na ande gojibono ota yabega let omo MCA me aki jadi kori kikero tinje dia komorige kori kikero ga against him igabe comfortable una na yumo wata banga kana korekana aje momoro kiese moko beke bintu bino mune market aje smoko moro kia moko agaja ebintu bigo support business related
Omwaziri w'ekisemi Julius Migos Ogamba nigo abera kwenekinga serikali ya Kenya Kwanza neruete anemono aso kuchikwenekinga ngukiniere ekerengo g'ekisemi ase ense ya Kenya ase abatabanga ekamati aberege korosiwa ejuera abege kumulekera omuroberio omuye bogosira aborokia bose aborokia baswa ase University New Funding Model linde kugayana obokungu bwabo bokwenekigwa chingaki aborokia na aborokia baba so as university omwaka oyo aseboigo abagagosaba aborokia b'Echi University bose lecturers kwene kingango twara bale okuiwana na n'Echi University bose karansanse na utwara chinkwa na line kwene kinga ngochia bale gotaswa asomugiro oyura abego turwania chisemi Echi University au ime yense yaito ya Kenya.
While the staff would have genuine grievances regarding their respective collective bargaining agreements, I urge the unions to give the process of negotiation a chance so that all the parties can reach an amicable settlement. Given that most of the universities are just beginning the 2024-2025 academic year, which is expected to end by December 2024, disruptions of any kind arising from the planned industrial action may heavily jeopardize academic programs, including the many graduation ceremonies that have been lined up over the next 3 months. I therefore look forward to an amicable approach to the issue of labor relations between the teachers.
Kabosi kase chinse chisi konigo muraiwense Dr. William Ruto agendrete nitaro yaye ase ense ya Germany asabaga kumbira abakenya babuato bamenyana bayokora emirimo ase ense ejioni go muraiwense Dr. William Ruto abaotebanga nerwete kwenekinga ngo chikorosi aro bwamatobya ne chinse chisiko aseboigo abagakurutu sana kumulekera egati yemeroberio abegete aso kwenekinga ngo sirale abasae konyora amegerio yegi teknolojia elinde bachikonyora emirimo ase chinse chiria chia isiko.
It is the reason why number 3, under our digital superhighway program, we are expanding our digital hubs. Majority of our TVETs today have a digital hub. We have close to 140,000 young people in our TVETs today who are working online. I was very, very impressed when I went to one of our TVETs, and I was telling the German Chancellor yesterday, when I went to one of our TVETs, and I found a young man there called Brian, and he said, Mr. President, I am working for an AI company in Germany. And this is Brian, who has not even been to Nairobi. He even doesn't have a passport. But he's working for an AI company, and we are yet even to pass AI regulations in our parliament. But he's already way ahead, you know? He's already way ahead. The conversation we were having this week was how we are going to work with Parliament so that we can begin to find a regulatory framework for artificial intelligence, because we have so much benefit coming out of artificial intelligence, how we can leverage on it to make sure that we have all that we need, but also it comes with fake news, misinformation, disinformation. How do we manage that? Because it undermines, you know, the benefits of technology.
Asetaro y'omuraibu ensenigo bale amo noyo lenge bose omuraibu ekyamakeria gya ODM Raila Odinga ase boigo ensemo ya Raila Odinga abagagwe yakira ekoko ase ekirenga abwate kwamiriria ekero kyobonyakerogo obworogongo rwa Afrika ase abagatebanga eganga yaye enene nogo chikoleta aba Afrika bonsi amo na kwenekinga nkwenekiare obosibole asensemeli ya yobo onchuria linde uchukone kinga orogongo rwa Afrika na barongo kwina ndoleko rwa asekerenge kemo goika ase ekerengo kende.
of Germany, so that our people who are living here can live and work here properly without exploitation. This is very, very important, because this is an agreement that is signed between this government and many other governments in Europe. In fact, EU has got regulations about mobility of labor and how this, those women migrating from one country to another country are to be treated. This is what we want also to happen to our people, our Kenyan people, so that Kenyans who live out here feel protected and they cannot be exploited by anybody. It's enabling environment for Africa to grow. First, we want to promote inter-African trade, because Africans are spending too much time looking for markets for their goods, and they're being sometimes offered.
Omokonyi bumurai bw'enseri Rigathi Gachagua gabeire gakurukuburia ase abarai kubeka busio amagendero nabo wikirania chira babete bakoliera abakenya asobochori bwa era ase abagakomochia igati yabarai kurwa sorogongo rwa Mount Kenya anemono abuo bandrete siasa gotebangane chukubaga abakenya yego chamaiga leliberera kwenekigwa asorogongo rya rwa Mount Kenya asensemo yabarai kurwa sorogongo babere bakomoa Kithure Kindiki libagalia bene gochikoba omonogeli obokurwa ase orogongo oruo rwa Mount Kenya.
Kama mbaya uchaguzi uliisha, sasa ni wakati wa kazi. Hawa wananchi wanataka kufanyiwa kazi. Hawataki mambo ya siasa. Wanataka barabara zimalizike. Hii uwanja wa Rolling Stadium imalizike. Watu wawekewe stima. Watu wajengewe barabara. Watu watengenezewe shule. Mambo ya siasa ilikwisha.
Mwanchumulilia Undizi TV roboti oruoro mokonyi umurai w'enseri Rigathi Gachagua notochuikira omweli omangana majia chinsa ikomi chiabono marogoba litana nkuru kwa Job Maangi nobakwene kinga chibiche chiboigo na maliogi agoikereire asenchira yobo ikera nunere Abigail Nyanchama oyone kenko yanyorole wetera asenchira yomonua wimanyererio Lydia Mose nabaganeirie weekend engiya twarobulilia obuya imyandizi TV na obwo obwanso vomogusi.